Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover your Bank of America account. For that you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your web browser, search www.bankofamerica.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Bank of America's website. Then on top right hand side there you'll see the option of login. Tap on it. Select whether you want to continue with the app or you want to continue with web browser. There you'll see forgot ID or passcode. Tap on it. Now you'll have to enter your card or account number and then enter your social security number or tax ID number. After you're done, tap on continue. After you tap on continue, you'll be able to reset your password. And in this way, you can recover your Bank of America account. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.